Chris Solis. My type R. I'm from New York, Queens, but I currently reside in Miami, Florida.
So what do you got done to the car? I see the car has a lot of mods to it.
Right now, pretty much basic bolt-ons. The motor and turbo completely stock. It's on 93 pump gas. Right now I'm on drag radials, but after that, it's just a couple of cooling mods, oil cooler, front grill. I road course the car a lot too, so I got 3-piece front rotors, full suspension, carbon fiber fenders.
And the mirrors too. I saw like the mirrors are carbon.
Mirror caps, carbon fiber rear spoiler, a baby seat.
Show them the baby seat. This is how you drive it every day?
Yeah, I race the car the way I drive it every day. I don't take anything out of it. No. Baby seat still there. It's my daily driver. That's it.
So have you ran the car stock before? Before you did any mods to it?
No, I didn't run the car stock. But I do have a lot of buddies of mine that have the same car, run stock, and they're running like high 13s. Today I actually ran the quickest with the car at 12.54 at 114.7 mile per hour. So it's pretty decent for what it is. It's not a drag racing car, but I think that's pretty good. But the car really shines on the road course.
And then as far as the tuning wise, so how much do you have for power?
Tuning, the car was tuned by Aerodynamic, in Connecticut, Pennsylvania, I think. The car, the dyno makes 380 real horsepower and about 360, 370, 700 torque.
How fast does the car spool, like with the tune and everything, versus stock? Have you noticed the difference?
It's still instantly.
Yeah,
it's pretty good. I come from an all-motor background, right? So the car just responds really well, really well. Off the line, it's pretty good, and once the car's rolling, it takes off.
Tires made a big difference?
Yeah, the tires make a big difference. I'm on Mickey Thompson drag radials.
And then for future plans, like what is your end goal? Or
I'm still not 100% decided, but ultimately I probably want to build a motor and go with a bigger turbo. Hopefully put down like 600 horsepower, somewhere around there. But I kind of want to enjoy it the way it is, and until something breaks and I'm forced to upgrade, then that's the route I'm gonna go. Fully built motor, big turbo, up to the fuel system, right through port injection as well. And the goal at that point will be 600, 700 horsepower.
Dude, it's achievable. I see some people already at the 5, so up there, 6.
And the plan is to daily the car. That's never gonna change. So daily the car, I'm gonna rock it till I can, and hopefully I'll pass it down to my kids if they want it, when that time comes.
That's awesome, man. Well, thank you, man. Good luck with the class. You're still here.
Thank you. I'm still here. I'm still here. Appreciate it.
Good luck, man.
All right.